almost has the same ambience of BGC 20 years ago. Imagine what Nuvali can offer 20 years from now. Hello guys, this is me again, Steve, your property expert. When we say Nuvali, the first things that come to our mind are yung mga koi fish, SNR, Soledad malls, but Nuvali is more than that. Nuvali has a lot to offer. I always include to my presentations that Nuvali is the largest self-sustaining community or eco-city in the Philippines, composed of 2,400 hectares. It's like twice the size of Makati or 10 times the size ng BGC. Now, let's talk about the new updates and development inside Nuvali. Ikot tayo? Tara, samahan niyo ako. This is the tour I usually give to my first-time buyers, no? So ginagawa ko, iniikot ko talaga sila sa Nuvali para makita nila before proceeding to the subdivision kung gaano ba kaganda yung estate planning ni Ayala. So again, no, Nuvali is the largest development of Ayala land in the Philippines, composed of 2,400 hectares. Since super laki ng development natin, no, it transcends 3 key cities of Laguna, which are Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao. Ganun siya kalaki, no? And for the segments naman, hinati siya sa 4. We have Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. Later, iikutin natin yung mga segments ng Nuvali para makita nyo yung magagandang development sa ginagawa dun sa loob. So by the way, we are at Laguna Boulevard, no? So ito yung one of the easiest ways going to Nuvali. So if you are coming from Metro Manila, mag-exit ka lang ng Mamplasan and then Calax, approximately mga 10 minutes lang. Nasa Laguna, or I mean Nuvali North proper ka na. And ang kagandahan dito, on our right side, yan yung ongoing na infrastructure na ginagawa, which is called Nuvali Flyover, no? Kumbaga Ayala is not just known for creating beautiful estates, beautiful homes, but of course the infrastructure. Sa ginagawa niya, pinapaganda niya din yung mga daan, yung transportation system for the convenience din ng, of course, not just the homeowners but the future investors na ginagawa sa mga business districts in Nuvali. So it is just one of the ways, no? Actually, marami kang pwedeng daanan from SLEX. Pwede kang dumaan ng Santa Rosa exit, pwede kang Magsilangan, Canlubang, and from in the future there is an access from Batino exit na ang daan mo doon malapit na sa mga residential natin sa south. Later, kapag available na yon, i-discuss ko din or i-feature ko din yan sa video natin. So we are now here at the entrance of Nuvali North. Yan. So ito yung pinakasikat na Nuvali logo, no? So dyan usually nagpapapicture yung mga bikers natin. But before going inside to Nuvali North, let's go here sa Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road kasi i-feature lang natin ng mabilis, no? Yung magandang ginagawa ngayon ng SM dito sa Nuvali. People are asking, why is there an SM in Nuvali, no? Technically, nasa loob pa din siya ng part ng Nuvali, no? Kumbaga, Nuvali was owned by Yulo family, no? So ang agreement lang between Yulo and Ayala na before ibenta ni Yulo yung property niya kay Ayala, magkakaroon lang si Yulo ng a piece of property sa Nuvali North by which in the future gagawin niyang mall. So ngayon, ongoing na ang construction and ang tawag sa mall is SM Yulo Premier. Later, ipakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung ginagawang mall dito ni SM. We are now at Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. On our right side is the Calax. That's the entry ng ating Cavite-Laguna Expressway which connects SLEX going to Metro Manila. And on our left side is yung magandang ginagawa ngayon ng SM Yulo Premier, no? So ano ba yung concept dito ng mall na gagawin dito? So it's like SM Aura sa BGC. Like it will cater the affluent or high-end market of the South. Imagine if we have the existing Soledad malls, merong Vista sa labas, meron pang additional mall dito na ang daming options na mga residents natin in Nuvali. So balik tayo, no, papunta sa one of the entrances of Nuvali. So ayan ulit yung Nuvali logo. Ayan. pag-right turn natin, itong sa right side natin is the Healthway Qualimed Hospital. It's an Ayala brand hospital, no? Na syempre kagandahan, since may estate tayo, meron tayong sariling hospital aside from the existing na nasa labas ng Nuvali. On this side naman, no, on our left side is the newly opened commercial ni Nuvali, no. It was opened last year. Na kagandahan, it has the Uniqlo with own green park. Tapos the 700 branch of McDonald's in the Philippines inopen sa Nuvali. The CBTL with the drive-thru. With of course, meron siyang view deck sa taas, nakita yung Nuvali City. Kaka-open lang din niya sa Nuvali. Sa left side natin is the existing na SNR. And ito naman sa harap natin is yung point-to-point bus going to Metro Manila. So, kagaya ng sinasabi ko sa mga buyers natin, very accessible siya, no? Kasi meron tayong point-to-point bus system of transportation inside Nuvali. And on our left side, no, is the Soledad Malls. Ayan, this is the Soledad 3. By the way, no, si Ayala Mall Soledad, we have 1, 2, and 3. Sa 1 yung may mga koi fish. Ayan. And on our right side is yung Landers. So this is the 10th branch of Landers in the Philippines. So napakadami nating options for shopping centers, no? By the way, ito yung Soledad 2. Nagkakaroon sila ngayon ng ongoing na expansion of parking kasi sobrang taas ng demand ng parking spaces sa mga malls natin. And ang kagandahan, the one facing ng Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, maglalagay pa sila ng additional restaurants doon sa area. So yan yung mga ma-experience natin dito sa Soledad Malls, Nuvali. Yan, dito mag-left turn lang tayo, no, para makita natin yung ginagawa na one of the pocket business districts inside Nuvali. So, ayan. Yan yung East Block, no. It's 11.7 hectares in size. Nakakagandahan. Magkakaroon dyan ng mga future buildings for corporate offices. Ayan. Nakakagandahan, para siyang BGC style in the future, no. So imagine if meron na yan inside Nuvali. Nakagandahan, of course, parang it is the more relaxed BGC version, no, na mabababa lang yung mga buildings, mas malaki ang open spaces, and sa gitna ng East Block, mayroong East Block Garden. So parang yung mga existing na nai-imagine natin sa Greenbelt, may malalaking open spaces. So same din siya ng concept na gagawin dito sa East Block. This is the newly opened office building in Nuvali North, no? So this is called LHK South, na kagandahan, I think this year mag-start na mag-operate yung business and mag-a-accept na sila ng mga tenants for business opportunities sa mga private companies natin. So for those who are looking for opportunities in Nuvali to expand your business, pwede nyo kontakin si LHK South. Ito naman si Monochrome Events Place, no? One of the high-end events places here in Nuvali. Nakagandahan pag may mga weddings kayo, corporate meetings, pwede nyong i-rent out itong magandang events place in Nuvali. And after naman yan, no, ito yung sobrang excited ako sa ginagawa, no. So this is the Nuvali Techno Hub. Yan, so it will be the future IT and BPO hub here in Nuvali. This is the Nuvali Techno Hub, no? So it will be the future hub for IT and BPO companies here in the South. So in the future, it will create and open opportunities sa mga lahat ng employees natin dito sa South na hindi mo na kailangan magpunta ng Metro Manila because you have your own inside Nuvali. Ang kagandahan sa kanya, no? It has 6-story building with a gross floor area of approximately 30,000 square meters. And ang kanyang target opening is by the last quarter of this year. So eto, abangan nyo si Nuvali Techno Hub. This is the Museum for Architecture and Residences, to. So this is not an Ayala land property, but it is located inside the vicinity of Nuvali. Nakakagandahan sa kanya, it is developed or designed by the international icon, which is Fujimoto, and they joined the Calma Properties in giving birth to this beautiful property. Nakagandahan, this is a mixed-use development na meron siya museum, may exhibits, and of course, I think magkakaroon sila ng very limited luxury condo. So in the future, no, once na matapos tong property na ito, ipapakita namin sa iyo or i-feature namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung ginagawa nila dito. Ito naman yung ating Seda Hotel, no? So this is an Ayala brand hotel. We just opened the Tower 2 just last year and another 250 rooms yung inopen, no? So kagandahan sa ating mga visitors ng Nuvali, meron tayong additional na accommodation dito sa estate. So pabalik tayo ng Nuvali Boulevard, no, para pumunta naman tayo ng Central Block. So this area on our right side, yung katapat mismo ng East Block, is the North Central Business District. So wala pang official announcement, no, but the size of the property is 5 beses ng size ng East Block. Na imagine, pagkatapos tong dalawa, you have your own BGC inside Nuvali na hindi ka na pupunta ng Manila kasi mayroon ka ng sarili dito. We are now heading Nuvali Central. As you can see, no, sa lahat ng parts ng Nuvali, may mga Nuvali estate guards or security tayo. Ganun siya ka-safe. And ngayon, paglagpas mo ng guardhouse, dito ngayon on our right side is the Central Block. So it's 12 hectares na development, no, na ang purpose nito is to give convenience sa mga residents inside Nuvali. Na in the future, hindi mo na kailangan magpunta pa ng Nuvali North kasi meron kayo dito sa area. Tara, punta tayo sa kanilang viewing deck, no, para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda ang gagawin dito sa Central Block. So this is the Central Block, no. Ang kagandahan, ang concept nito, para siyang Alabang Town Center to give convenience sa mga residents natin inside Nuvali. So currently, ang ongoing construction ngayon is yung The Shops and Merrimart. The Shops, dito siya ilalagay, and yung Merrimart naman dun sa katabi ng The Shops. Ano ba yung The Shops? Para siyang Camp John Hay sa Baguio na may mga restaurants, alfresco dining, and Merrimart naman, ito yung mga grocery store na meron tayo inside Nuvali. And aside from that, of course, as you can see, ito yung ating pinaka-plan. We have the commercial lots here and sa kabilang side. And sa pinakagitna ng Central Block, mayroong malaking generous open spaces na kagandahan, no, sa mga commercial natin. Ayala is known for open spaces, greeneries. Hindi yan mawawala sa mga development ni Ayala. So dito naman sa side na to, no, ito yung pinaka-facade ng ating building. So sabi ko nga, sa Nuvali bawal ang mataas na building. So it's like the more improved version of BGC and Makati. Mabababa lang ang mga buildings, tas magaganda yung mga facade niya para nag-blend na siya together with the nature. So imagine, no, meron kang parang high street sa BGC. Yan yung view ng Central Block in the future. And kapag nakadating ka sa point na to, ito yung street mo naman going to Solara Park Stories Nuvali. Sa mga viewers natin, no, na bago, ito yung first ever pet-friendly condo of Ayala Land in the Philippines, specifically Avida brand, na mid-rise lang siya, 1.7 hectares ang property pero 3 building lang. Imagine kung gaano kaganda yung ino-offer na may property dito. Ilalagay ko sa link sa baba, ano, para mapanood nyo kung gaano kaganda si Solara Park Stories Nuvali. Before heading Nuvali South, no, punta muna tayo sa side na to. Yan. So ito yung medyo nagkatanong yung mga buyers natin, bakit daw may Rockwell inside Nuvali? Technically, it's not inside Nuvali, but yung last part ng property na nabili ni Rockwell, which is approximately 60 to 70 hectares, nakahiga along Nuvali Boulevard. So ano ba yung gagawin ni Rockwell South dito, no? So maglalagay siya dyan ng magandang residential. Yan, no, sobrang ganda ng paligid, no. Syempre, dapat kasing ganda din ni Nuvali yung gagawin niya dito. So at the same time, maglalagay siya dito ng mga restaurants na in the future, of course, we from Nuvali, makikinabang tayo sa gagawin ni Rockwell. Knowing Rockwell, sobrang ganda niya din sa paggawa ng residential and commercial, na it's like a win-win situation ng dalawang malaking developers. We are now heading Nuvali South. As you can see, no, yung daan natin pataas na siya. Kasi habang lumalayo tayo sa Nuvali, the elevation of the land gets higher and higher. And sa mapapansin mo, no, yung pinakatumbok natin, ayan, after ng Nuvali Boulevard, ito yung malapad na daan in Nuvali. That's a 10 hectares na alfresco mall. Again, wala pang official announcement but this property is for mall purpose in the future. Imagine na pag may sarili kang mall dito sa Nuvali South, yung mga taga dito, hindi mo na kailangan magpunta ng Central Block or Nuvali North kasi mayroon kang sarili dito. And on our left side, that's a 31 hectares na play parks. And currently, inopen ang first sector ng play park, which is yung golf driving range. Mamaya, if may chance mapuntahan natin, masilip nila kung gaano kaganda si golf driving range. As as you can see, no, sa lapad ng ating estate road, sa sobrang taas din ng elevation ng property, makikita mo napakataas ng view. You have the prime view of the Laguna de Bay and Antipolo Rizal Mountain on a clear and fine sky. Ganun siya kataas. So imagine, gaano kahangin, gaano kalamig sa area na parang nasa Tagaytay ka lang pag dito ka nakatira inside Nuvali. So ito yung entrance ng newly opened golf driving range in Nuvali, ano? So dito you can practice your swing. Yan. And aside from the golf driving range in Nuvali, we have the existing golf courses surrounding the estate na pwede mo ring ma-enjoy kapag dito ka na nakatira. Yan. So ito yung dating Wake Park, no, na sinirado na siya during the pandemic. So nagkaroon ng innovation and improvement na ngayon mas pinaganda pa siya. So as I have said, 31 hectares siya. Ito yung unang inopen. But aside from this, meron din tayong green corridor, the community. Meron din tayong bike trail because Nuvali is known for biking. And ang excited ako dito dun sa community yan, no? Kasi para siyang botanical garden sa Baguio. Lalagyan ng mga plants and trees pagkatapos siya. So ganun siya kaganda. I am now here at the newly opened golf driving range in Nuvali. Nakakagandahan dito, you can practice your swing and at the same time, it has its own events place na pwedeng pagganapan ng mga events nyo. And after nun, pwede kayong kumain sa baba kasi may mga restaurants din na ilalagay, no? So ganyan siya kaganda. Na in the future, sa side na yon, you have the view of the Nuvali North. Kita mo si East Block sa side na yon. It's the North Central Business District dahil mataas po yung elevation ng ating golf driving range. On this side naman, no, yung mismong katabi ng golf driving range, yan, nag-land chasing na sila. So this area is your green corridor and community na in the future para siyang botanical garden sa Baguio. So imagine, no, napakalawak ng open space na to, nalalagyan lang ng mga halaman ng mga puno. Saan ka nakakita ng high-end na area na hindi ginamit yung ganito kalaking open space. So ilan to sa mga may experience mo inside Nuvali. And as you can see sa gitna, sa gilid na maliliit pa yung mga puno. So in the future, pag naglakihan to, it's like Nuvali Boulevard na sa gitna mo, puro lilim lang yung meron dito. And ito, sa kaliwa natin, yung nabagit ko kanina, yan na yung 10 hectares na Alfresco Mall. Grabe no, tabi-tabi yung mga developments. If meron kang property sa Nuvali South, around 1 to 2 minutes lang, may sarili kang mall dito na hindi mo kailangan magpunta doon sa Solinal or sa labas sa SM Malls para makipagsiksikan sa kanila, no? Because you have your own exclusive mall dito sa loob. The good thing about here in Nuvali, no, we're not just developing the commercial area, the residential. Of course, yung mga schools, meron din tayo. Speaking of schools, sa ating right side, this one is Everest Academy. Yan, so isa sa mga options natin, no? And dun sa central block na dinaanan natin kanina, dun sa malapit kay Solara Park Stories Nuvali, meron tayong walking distance lang na Xavier School. And after nyan, no, dun sa side na yon, yung Miriam College naman. Nasabi daw, based sa mga clients ko na may mga anak na nag-aaral sa Miriam College, once daw na natapos ang expansion ni Miriam College, sabi daw na mas malaki pa daw ito sa main ng Miriam College sa Katipunan. So grabe, no? Napakadaming potential, napakadaming ng opportunities na pwedeng mangyari dito sa Nuvali. Right now, I am here at Aberdeen Estates Nuvali, one of the residential communities that in-offer namin dito inside Nuvali. Ano? So imagine if you have your investment here, and same sa kabila, which is Southfield Settings Nuvali. Imagine yung value ng property investment nyo 20 years from now. So as I have said, no, 20 years ago, ano ba itsura ni BGC? It's like an open spaces na sobrang konti lang ng establishment. But look at BGC now. BGC is one of the most expensive places in the Philippines, the leading financial district in the Philippines na sobrang ganda, sobrang taas when it comes to value or property appreciation. And imagine, Nuvali 20 years from now kung gaano kamahal ang properties dito. To all my clients, no, congratulations for having your investment here in Nuvali. In a very short span period of time, sobrang daming nangyari. Sobrang bilis gumawa ni Ayala because all of our developments are funded, 100% budgeted. So if you are interested in investments here in Nuvali, lupa man yan, house and lot, condo, just send a message to my number, 0961-462-2138. My Facebook page is The Property Expert, Avidaland by Carlos Steve Singson. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Again, This is me, Steve Singson, your property expert here in Nuvali.